Hello guys, good evening. So yan, natatapos lang natin magsimba around 7 up to 8. So ayan, starting na kami mag-Christmas party. Yeah, so ayan yung setup natin ng ating Christmas team. So yan, ginawa ni Shane yan. Yan ang ating setup for tonight. Yan. So yan, we're making some yung mga pulutan namin and some pulutan namin nakita namin to sa YouTube. So we're making ground beef na meron siyang parang
chicken.
Beef na may Korean something. Kanina ito yung dinner namin. Nag-carbonara ako, nagluto ako plus nilagang mani, and we have nag-barbecue din ako kanina. So yan, after ng mass na kumpleto nga namin yung 9 days ng simbang gabi, and now gagawa kami ng pulutan, and then iinom din kami mamaya. So yan, this is the ganap right now. Tonight is December 23. So yan ang ganap namin for tonight. So yan, na lang, 1 day before Christmas. So yan ang natin ngayon, i-air fryer ito later. So JC, what can you say about mom's cooking?
Great. I haven't tasted though.
Oh yeah, but you'll taste it later, so we will know what's that taste, okay? So yeah, kasi kailangan talaga buo eh. Pag ganyan, kakapaan mo kung saan talaga siya. Okay. Okay, oh. Ano masasabi mo? Puro ka smiling, madam. Wanna zoom
Bakit
in?
ba? Kalapit naman.
And how about you? Gonna zoom in. Oh, mamaya mag-games tayo. We have games.
I will win 500 pesos tonight.
Actually, meron kami exchange gift. So, November pa lang, pinlan na namin yon. And now, mamaya i-reveal na sino yung mga nakuha. And ano pa yung ano bang meron? May isa pang parang additional contest doon. Hulaan lahat kung sino yung mga. So magkano 'yon? Magkano? Pag nahulaan yung kung sino yung mga nabunot. 100 pesos.
Sulat yun na yung akin. Ako rin.
Okay. Sulat nyo na mamaya kasi it's additional. That's an additional contest. So sulatan natin, and then mamaya i-ano natin.
Mama, yung akin
Lumalabas.
ay hotdog na lang. Sige.
Yeah, so yan. Anyway, guys, keep on tuning to my YouTube video. Mamaya siguro mag-ano pa kami ulit. Okay, so yan. Oh, say bye. Say goodbye. Oy, bye kayo. Bye. Okay.